No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, you're gonna be the lonely one. You're gonna be the lonely one. You're gonna be the lonely one. Deep believe in love after love. I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now.
Well, I decided to clean my car today, and I came and got Keisha. I have boxes and lots of stuff on the floorboard that I need to pick up, and so we decided I just wanted to clean it, and that's about it. No roll cord. Send it to me. You can't see me.
We are feeling really awkward because
I've never really done this before.
the thing isn't in the thing.
Do I hit the button? Or do I wait patiently?
I guess we can wait a second. I feel like every time I've done this, it's already been there.
I know. Did they close on me like right after?
That would be our luck.
We're looking at sunscreen.
We're looking at the
Yeah.
110 because we hate the sun.
Yeah. And because we're really pale complexion, we'll burn. It's also because I'm a vampire, but you know, whatever. This little fuck in an orange t-shirt was a butthole. And I'm still mad about it. Come on! It's fine. I'm not getting mad. All for one face. Oh my god, it took it. Okay. What is this? What is this bullshit? I hate this! It didn't! I'm getting so mad. I'm changing quarters and everything! Oh my god. Alright, how about I gently? I swear to God, I'm never leaving the house again. Oh my god, it took 3 of them and it won't take the rest. Okay. Okay. Why is everything so difficult? I just don't understand it. Oh wait, I do have more quarters that I could have tried. But this is getting annoying. Oh, fuck. I've learned my lesson. I'm never leaving the house again. I'm already red and sweaty. There's people. It's a hit! I I guess I need new mats. That'll probably be.
Guys, she said she's leaving me.
Bye, bitch!
It's all because I told her to go to the other car wash first.
And then it just sprays at me. It smells soapy. It's making noises.
Okay.